OMG, besties, you are not going to believe what's been crawling around Texas and even popped up in New Mexico. We're talking about the New World screwworm, and no, it's not just a problem for cows and goats anymore. Our precious fur babies could be at risk. Okay, so what is this screwworm thing? Basically, it's a nasty parasitic fly that targets animals with open wounds or even just body openings like noses or ears. It lays its eggs there, and when they hatch, these little maggots burrow into the living flesh to feed. EW, right? They're notorious for wrecking livestock, and we've already seen cases in young calves and a goat in South Texas. But here's the kicker. A dog from New Mexico that visited West Texas has also been confirmed with it. So, yeah, our pets are totally on the radar. Now, before you start hyperventilating, the experts, like Guy Loneregan from the Texas Tech University School of Veterinary Medicine, are saying not to panic. They've actually been preparing for this for a while, and there's a whole plan in motion. Local, state, and federal officials are working super hard to track these cases and contain the spread. One super cool, and kind of wild, method they're using is releasing sterile male flies. These guys mate with the female screwworms, making sure she lays unfertilized eggs that won't hatch. Genius, right? Experts think this outbreak might stick around for a few more months, but the good news is they have a game plan. So, can your sweet kitty or doggo get infected? The short answer is yes. Screwworms can affect any warm-blooded mammal, and that includes our pets. If your pet has a little scratch from playing outside, a tick bite, or even got into a tiny tussle with another animal, that could be an entry point. Even body openings like the mouth, eyes, or nose are targets. A single female fly can lay up to 300 eggs at a time, and those little maggots have sharp mouth parts that can really damage tissue, making the wound bigger and deeper as they feed. This can be super serious and even fatal if not caught early, depending on where the infestation is and how severe it is. What should you be looking for? Your pet will probably act differently. They'll be uncomfortable and in pain, maybe biting or licking at a wound a lot. You might notice some discharge from the infected area, and experts say it can have a really foul, putrid smell. Unusual restlessness is another sign, and some pets might even get aggressive or lethargic because they're so irritated. If you see any of these signs, or even just suspect something is up with a wound, you need to act fast. Here's the crucial part. If you think your pet has screwworm, call your local vet and the Texas Animal Health Commission right away. Seriously, don't wait. The FDA has approved special medicines, like antiparasitic chewable tablets and topical treatments, that vets can use. The good news is, screwworm is treatable, but only if it's caught and treated early. Your vet will figure out the best plan, which usually involves carefully removing the larvae and then using products to kill any tiny ones that are left. So, while it sounds scary, with quick action and your vet's help, your pets can get better. The best way to keep your fur babies safe is to be super vigilant. Check them every day for any little wounds or openings. Keep them clean and make sure there aren't any flies or maggots hanging around them. If you don't have a regular vet, now is the time to find one. They are key to diagnosing, reporting, and treating these cases. If your pet travels near the US-Mexico border or from Latin America, be extra careful and monitor them more often. And yes, keep up with those flea and tick meds. Even inside your home, implement regular fly control measures. Think fly swatters or whatever you normally use. And a little peace of mind. Screwworm isn't contagious like a cold, so one pet having it doesn't automatically mean another will get it. But if you have multiple pets, especially dogs who might wrestle, just be extra watchful of any new scratches or wounds. Stay safe out there, pet parents. Keep those fur babies protected, and remember, vigilance is key. Follow for more important updates.